In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to a Weebly blog. To get started, log into your Weebly account and open the dashboard for the website you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll be able to access the editing tools for your blog. Next, click on Edit Site. This will open the Weebly editor where you can make changes to your website content, including your blog posts. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all the options are available on screen. Once you're inside the editor, open an existing blog post or create a new one so you can enter the post editing mode. If you're organizing content you've already published, choose the post you want to update. If you're planning ahead and setting up a fresh article, you can create a new post instead. Categories can be added in either case, so the process works the same way. With the blog post open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click Post Options. This area contains additional settings for the individual post, and it's where Weebly lets you manage details beyond the main text and title. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the lower left area carefully, since it can be easy to overlook. Inside Post Options, find the Categories section. In that field, type the name of your new category and then press Enter or Return on your keyboard. This action tells Weebly to create and assign that category to the post. It's a good idea to keep category names clear and consistent, since categories help organize your blog and make it easier for visitors to browse related content. For example, using simple labels that match your main topics will keep your blog looking more professional and easier to navigate. After adding the category, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Update or Post to save your changes. If you're editing an existing article, you'll usually click Update. If it's a brand new post, you'll click Post. Either way, this final step is important because your category won't be saved unless you confirm the change. And that's it. Once saved, your blog post will now include the category you added, helping you keep your Weebly blog better organized and easier for readers to explore.